Check this out. See the orange and the blue? It's so surreal. Came out of work and it's just super orange from all this smoke from the fire. So. It's really back this way. It's really orange. Yeah, all that way towards Saddleback. The smoke line. I'm not smelling the smoke this time. This morning, in the morning I did, but not right now at least. Definitely right through there. If you look up, I don't know why that is so orange looking. Smoke now. There's a whole crew of bikes right here. The end of this road, there's definitely a better view, so we'll see if we can see more. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's very different between when looking back this way and that way. It's all coming this way. Oh yeah, you can see the smoke for sure right there. Yeah, straight ahead. We'll stop right here. Behind me. Yeah, Saddleback Mountain's right there. Oh yeah, there you can see just, there's Saddleback right there. It's like brush fire has continued and jumped further. Oh, that's cool. And weird. I apologize, but making this up. That's the sun right there. That is so bizarre. You see that? The red. I've never seen that. That is so weird. Obviously the smoke clouds are kind of this brown, dark brown. You got the sun there. What a trip. Hopefully everybody's okay. This is definitely not great. Not what you want to see. It feels like almost like one of those end of the world event type things, but you have no control over it. Oh, that's a good view of the. Usually I can't see the hockey very well, but it's a good view there. Well, I'm probably getting close to the 8-minute mark on this file, so anyway, I just thought I would share a little bit of my view. That's all I really had. Other than that, I'm heading home. Back to square one. You guys take care. We're gonna watch the Cowboys play the 49ers. Go Cowboys. All right, see y'all later. Bye.